Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a GA4 property because that defines where events land. Once done, grab the measurement ID and place the measurement script in your site's header or deploy it through Google Tag Manager for easier changes. Make sure to add a web data stream, and if you have a mobile app, add an app stream too. This tells Google where to accept hits. You do this now so the platform can begin collecting basic page view and session signals immediately. Once basic tracking is active, configure the events that matter because raw page views don't answer all questions. You can rely on automatic events for basic behavior, then map custom events like add to cart or form submit, so you capture intent. Pass descriptive parameters with each event, for example product ID, value, or category, to enable precise reporting. Use the GTM data layer to push structured data from your site. This standardizes values and reduces errors when you change markup or deploy a /b tests. You finish by validating and publishing because unverified tags lead to blind spots. Open Debug View and your browser DevTools Network tab to watch events and check that measurement protocol hits return status 204. Once verified, publish GTM changes and monitor real-time reports to confirm continuity. If data is absent, make sure consent settings, ad blockers, and filters aren't blocking hits. Then inspect requests for the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.